Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi Portable Bluetooth speaker, and I will show you how you can connect this speaker to your iPhone. So at the first we have to click and hold the power button, so let's make it. Keep holding. Now just release when you hear the sound and see that indicator is blinking. Right now it is in the pairing mode, so let's put it like that. Open the settings of our iPhone, then go for the Bluetooth, activate it by tapping right here, and then just wait. It pops right here, so we have to tap on it. And as you can see, after a few moments we are connected. So we can, for example, play music when we go for YouTube. And as you can see, right now we are connected. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.